This is Tim Willis, and I'm running with a copy of OBS and a built-in laptop microphone. This is another video from the Nomad Funnelhacker. I'm looking at this site, and it's a part of a site from shakefactory.co. They have few tools there. I'm not really impressed with too many of them, but this one is actually useful, and it's called duotone, and it creates a duotone effect on images. What is a duotone? Well, I had to look that up myself, so let's see what it says. The duotone effect is a design technique that uses two contrasting colors to create a striking visual impact, often in the form of a color gradient. It's essentially a way to enhance the visual appeal of an image or design by replacing the original colors with two selected colors, usually one for the dark areas and one for the lighter areas. So having given a technical explanation, let's see how this thing actually works. Let's go ahead and pick this one here. And you can see we have our picture, and it's bluish right now. We have two colors here we can change. So let's change those. And I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite source for picking out colors, which is coolers. And let's change the blue to some reds. Let's go ahead and we will take this cantaloupe melon and we'll make that the lighter color. And you can just put it in there like that. You also can click on it and you see you have a color palette if you just want to play around. And then let's go ahead and go with cinnabar for our darker color. Now we have this more reddish color on our picture. We have the ability to share it. And it will copy a link that you can share with others. Or you can just get out of the picture and go back to the main screen. These are like example pictures that they give you to work with. You can also go to the search bar and search the Unsplash website, which has royalty free pictures you can use, or you can upload your own pictures. So let's go ahead and upload one of our own. Let's go with this. And this is actually a picture I'm made for another project, but we'll go ahead and use it. Okay, so you see I have our picture there. Let's go ahead and this time pick a different color theme. Let's go with green this time. And let's choose the celadon for our lighter color. And maybe the dark pastel green for our darker color. And again, if you really want to go more extremes, you could use contrasting colors. I mean, contrasting in the sense of blue against red or whatever, but I think the effect generally works best with colors that are in the same color family. Now you see we have a green aspect to this image that we did before. And then you do have some preset colors you can do here. I think this is just going to do a preset set. Like, yeah, it's going to do like that purple or yellow. So if you want to just do it really simply, just press that little drop there and you can kind of hit presets. Otherwise, you can just play around with the colors. But really, that is it with the duotone tool. It's pretty easy to use if you want that duotone effect. And then our picture here, we can download it. And then it's going to download it to our computer. So that's really it for this site. It's really simple to use, but I thought it was a cool little site because otherwise you might have to go through some more complicated things to get to this effect if you don't have a tool like this that's dedicated to it. And so I just thought it was a little thing I threw up there. If you want to use a duotone effect, this is a tool that will make it easy for you. It doesn't cost anything. And we all like free, don't we? So that's the video for now. My name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, sales funnels, web page design, and all the tools that we use to accomplish those things. That's the video for now. I'll talk to you later.